It's like I can't do no wrong.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today's video we're focusing on these nails, honey. Do y'all see them? Ooh. Yeah, wow, they need some help. So I did end up getting me some press-on nails from SHEIN. I literally went on SHEIN's website and racked up. Look at all these nails. I got, oh no. Exactly. These are the nails that I'm going to be doing today. These cute little cheetah print brown nails. Yes, we are back again with some SHEIN nails and we're going to hook it right on up. But I ended up getting this nail glue. Focus. I got the IBD 5-second brush on nail glue. Seemed legit. I tried to get that viral nail glue, but the shelves were empty. Like what? So all the press-on nail girlies were in town this week? Really? But that's okay. We're gonna use what we got to get what we want, okay? That's the goal, right? Right. I have my left hand right here, right hand right here, rockstar life, okay? And I already went and prepped my nails a couple of days ago, so they are ready to go. I just need to dehydrate them and throw on some nail glue in the nails, and then I will come back and show you guys the end results. Stick around. So y'all know I couldn't leave y'all hanging as far as my nail prep. I'm just using a few items that I got from Amazon, and let's go ahead and get right into the nail prep. Starting off with my bare nails, I'm taking my nail file and just filing my nails in the shape I want them to look like as soon as I take off my press-on nails. And to clean off that dust and disinfect it, I'm using my rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball to clean off my nails. And this is the shape that I went with, but I also have to take care of those cuticles, and this is the utensil that I'm using. This utensil is just going to take off the excess cuticle and skin that's on my nails and make sure they're clean and sleek and ready to file with my nail drill. And for those of you who plan on getting the Melody Susie nail drill, just remember this nail drill does not come with a charging block, but good thing I keep them around just in case. Turning the drill down to the lowest setting, I'm going to go ahead and start roughing up the nail. This is going to ensure that the press-on nail sticks to the nail whenever you apply the glue, and it ensures that the nail stays on for a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of my nails and try not to hurt myself. When I'm done filing my nails, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands really well to ensure this process stays sanitary, as well as to get rid of all that dust. And this is how the nails came. Inside came the sticky stickers in case you didn't want to use nail glue, as well as this miniature nail file, as well as more nails of different sizes. When installing press-on nails, it's really important to have each nail have a press-on that fits it almost exactly. Now these nails from SHEIN are pretty sturdy compared to the last time I tried them. I did the squeeze test and it turned out pretty good. So I went ahead and sized out all of my nails. So this is going to be for my left hand. This is on my right hand. Rockstar vibes, okay? So that's what I'm going for on this hand. Yeah, let's go. Trying on all my press-ons again. This is how I'm going to be placing them on my finger right above the cuticle. Now this nail glue didn't come with any directions, but I read what was on the front and it said 5-second brush on nail glue, and that's exactly what I did. I just brushed on the nail glue the same way I would with nail polish. And to make sure the nail doesn't fall off, I made sure to put nail glue on the back of the nail as well. Then I went ahead and did the same thing to the rest of my nails, putting the glue on like nail polish and putting it on the back of the nail to ensure it sticks. Now this is how the nail glue and the nails turned out as soon as I applied them all, but I wanted to ensure that I got that nail salon look, and I applied a top coat. Wiping each nail with rubbing alcohol, I went ahead and applied my top coat to each nail and cured it under my lamp for at least 60 seconds. Now this is how the nails turned out, and I love them so much. So this is how the nails turned out. I think they are too freaking cute, and that top coat really set it off. I told y'all I had to get the rockstar fingers, okay? Too cute, and it only took about 10-15 minutes tops, okay? Get into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if this is helpful to you, and what's your favorite nail glue, and also let me know if you've tried out any of these press-on nails from SHEIN. If you guys want these specific nails, I will put them down in the description box below. Go check it out, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.